are live on POWAMOTO, and everybody's rocking Sedicis. We got Sedici jackets, Sedici helmets, Suzuki GSXRs, 750s in yellow and black, blue 600s, and blue and black, my new rider friends. POWAMOTO, he's a legend, he's a dream, he's the man.
There once was a young rider who rode out into the Everglades seeking enlightenment. Upon his return, the universe spoke to him, inspiring him and energizing him, naming him Mr. Sky Champion, and his bike, Shiva. Follow the Sky Champion on his journey as he gives back to the community and shares his inspiration with everyone on the POWAMOTO channel. Let the Sky Champion share his energy and inspiration with you.
Hey, thanks guys, and thanks for watching POWAMOTO and subscribing today. I'm the host of the show, Sky Champion, and I'm out here full of joy, going riding with my friends and watching the sunshine roll. Beautiful highway roads and beautiful skies. Please share this video and comment, like, and subscribe today. POWAMOTO.
Nice to meet you guys. I need some fast riders, and I'm especially sponsoring Suzuki and Kawasaki. Number one. All right? POWAMOTO gives back to the community, 100,000 views in 30 days, and I need my motorcycle enthusiasts. Kawasaki Z1000 right around the corner. You know, do a few smackdowns, show you guys how the old riders do it. Can I keep up with you? Can you? Is it cool? Now, be honest with you guys now. When you watch my videos, you're going to see big booty bike night. You're going to see girls. You're going to say, I think he likes girls. And you'd be right. Is that cool? Everyone's okay with that, right? Because, you know, they say these letters and stuff, and I just say GIRLS, and that's the video with 100,000 views, and I appreciate you. And I like that. Sedici, sick. This man's for short words, but him and I are going to talk about it. He's going to follow. He's going to subscribe. Hey, man, what year is your Suzuki, bro? 2018. 2018. Yellow Bumblebee 750. Love it, bro. I went to Connecticut when I was your age. I bought a 750 Kawasaki ZX7R with a holographic, and I drove it like 400 miles to get it to Washington, D.C., where I'm from. And man, I remember my 750. And how about you, bro? What year's your bike and what size? Oh, nice. Not my first bike. My second bike was a 600. My first bike was a Honda Rebel. You don't laugh. It was a 250 that the girls learn on. But you know, yeah, all right, good. 600, the first real bike. And I like those boots, bro. Sick. Sedici got it going on. You know, Sedici got it going on. It's a good brand. It's a good brand. Anyway, it's POWAMOTO, POWAMOTO, because I see him on the phone. It's on TikTok. It's on Instagram. It's on YouTube. It's on Facebook. It's in your face. POWAMOTO.
When the game on the line, you can't fold and you can't win. Got me playing it safe and I be going for the win. Remember back when they was doubting on the kid. Now they tuned in cause my game too legit. Stayed down, remain humble and I made it work. Crazy how I came out so clean from the dirt. We was using candles on the lights ain't work. We ain't never going back to that and that I merged. Turn your back on me, the worst mistake you ever made. Keep my grass cut, gotta watch out for the snakes. If this on my plate, best believe it's getting paid. I'm falling like I'm Kobe, 33 before the 8. I just want the rings and the medals and the trophies. I want the Kardashians and Jenna so I know me. I wanna take a Uber to the hills to visit Chloe. I want the blue seats cause I'm tired of the nosebleed. When the game on the line,
Waiting for the boys. I was doing a little bit of this, and they were just chilling back there. It's okay, they'll catch up. POWAMOTO, subscribe today. Cool cars. I had a Cars and Coffee video. You guys might see that one. I had a couple Lamborghinis and Ferraris I'm cutting up to about to drop in there. But I like that color. That's pretty sick. Are you a Dodge man or a Chevy man? Ford? BMW. How about you? BMW? 3 BMWs?
Yeah, I got a Dodge.
Oh, okay. I got a Z. A Z1000 and a Z350, and that's it. Z. Everything is Z. Boy, brothers for life. For life. I couldn't get over to see you. We're ready. We're rocking POWAMOTO.
When the game on the line, you
Have a
can't
great
fold it, you
time. I
can't
wait for
bend.
you. You follow
Got
me.
you playing it safe
I
and I
follow
be
you.
going for the
You follow
win.
me.
Remember back when they was down on the kid. Now they tuned in cause my game too legit. Stayed down, remain humble and I made it work. Crazy how I came out so clean from the dirt. We was using candles on the nights, the lights ain't work. We ain't never going back to that and that I merged. Turn your back on me, the worst mistake you ever made. Keep my grass cut, gotta watch out for the snakes. If it's on my plate, best believe it's getting paid. I'm falling like I'm Kobe 33 before the 8. I just want the rings and the medals and the trophies. I want the Kardashians and Jenner so I know me. I wanna take a Uber to the hills to visit Chloe. I want the floor seats cause I'm tired of the nosebleeds. When the game on the line, you can't fold and you can't bend. Y'all be playing it safe and I be going for the win. Remember back when they was doubting on the kid. Now they tuned in cause my game too legit. I feel like I'm Scottie Pippen, putting on the work but they don't give me no recognition. Basically the league's MVP but the P is missing. I'm the most valuable but sometimes they tend to forget it. I live my life on the edge but my back against the wall. I make sure my shoes lace cause who gon' catch me if I fall against the odds, but I'ma beat them all. I used to have a lot of friends, I never thought my day one circle be this small, but who needs love if it's fake love? I'm tryna shine like the diamonds on my glove. Get in my way and you gon' feel it just like Mike's glove. I'm tryna go from burnt rugs to the red rugs. That's facts. When the game on the line.
Your stuff? How you doing today? Good. Can you do me a big favor?
Not too much. What do you want?
I was gonna give you some money and say goodbye.
You're gonna leave?
Yeah,
Where you
going for a ride. Having fun. Where you going? I see you got 4 wheels. I got 2, so you know I'm gonna cruise. I'm out of here. I'm POWAMOTO. I'm a famous YouTuber. I'm here to help you, sister. We didn't forget about you. Your family forgot. Your sister forgot. But I didn't forget about you. Okay? Here's that money. It's a big stack. All right? It's a big stack. I'm going to give it to her because you're not. I'm going to give it to her because you're not, sir. You're not. You guys don't care. But I care. I still care. I'm going to give you the big stack. There you go. Good job. Where are you from? What city? What city? Lake Worth. All right. You've seen better days, haven't you? Don't you ever give up. What did you lose? Okay. What did you lose?
I don't know. I don't know, but
Where's your family? Okay, you be safe. Okay, you be safe. You be safe, okay, sweetheart? You take care. I gave you some money. Get something to eat and drink. You be safe, okay, sweetheart? Don't let nobody mess with you. And remember, POWAMOTO. Remember this name. POWAMOTO.
thank you.
Thank you, Linda. We love you.
When the game on the line, you can't fold and you can't bend. Y'all be playing it safe and I be going for the win. Remember back when they was doubting on the kid. Now they tuned in cause my game too legit. Stayed down, remain humble and I made it work. Crazy how I came out so clean from the dirt. We was using candles on the nights, the lights ain't work. We ain't never going back to that and that I merged.